Every construction project begins before the sun rises, before the noise, before the day truly starts. But even in the best conditions, seeing the whole site clearly isn't always easy. From ground level, details get lost. Progress can be hard to track, and decisions often rely on incomplete information. But when the drone takes flight, everything changes. From above, the entire site opens up. Every contour, every change, every challenge visible at once. Orthomosaics turn your project into a precise visual map. A single, reliable view of the site that every team can understand instantly. With clarity comes confidence. Planning becomes easier. Communication becomes clear. Progress becomes undeniable. See your site the way it was meant to be seen. Surveyed by drone.com. Clarity from above.